let's have a look at the prop finder and see how well we're doing. But it might help if I tell you what the prop finder is for those who've never seen this before. Well, it's very simple. I put a poll out on the channel asking what you guys want, and it came back saying you wanted small accounts built. You want to see little money built into something. Now, I've built a career on that, and I've built very good wealth from that. And I'll touch on something when I've shown you the figures, and it might put something into sort of perspective. Now, the idea of this was I originally said that I would put 50 quid in an account, trade it up to buy a prop fund. In other words, that's how we're finding the prop. And the essential idea is the prop is free because you pay for it, you still got your 50 quid. Everyone's a winner. Then I got a message saying, would I do it from £25?
Holy fuck.
And I thought, give them a salute. I had a bit of a think and then thought, do you know what? Why not? Let's rock and roll with this. So I set an account up for £25. And by definition, I've got nowhere to go with it. So this is incredibly difficult. All right. Or is it? Well, that's what we're going to discuss. So the first thing I'll do while we're going is we'll open it up and I'll tell you where it's from, why I use it, show you the figures, show you how I track it, and then I'm going to tell you a bit about the mindset behind it. So first of all, it's an MT5 platform. I wanted a broker with MT5 because most prop firms have MT5. And it makes common sense if you're training yourself to trade, because that's what these little challenges are about. It's about training yourself to trade. You know, you want to use the same platform you're going to use on prop. Now, there are other versions, TradingView, etc. I like MT5, suits my needs. It's universal. I can manipulate it so I can put various different categories in what I want. So I can have my strategies that are built because the market's slightly different. If I want to see what's going on in the world, I can have a quick look at that. If I want to score a particular item out, I can have all my indicators on a clean chart so I can see it without any interruption. And then, of course, I can drop it down into a monitoring chart where I can put all of my marks into place, like here. Now, if I show you my marks, might scare a lot of people. That would scare the shit out of a lot of people. You know, go, fuck me, look at that. But I trade down here on hourlies and 15s. Don't look scary now, does it? Now it looks brilliant. Not only does it look brilliant, I can see exactly where the price has been. Because if you understand how a chart works, it becomes very, very simple.
Really? Really, really?
Now, this is what's called a hedge account, and it's by BlackBull. Now, if you want to follow this journey, there is a link in the description of every video for it. It'll take it to my landing page. And there is an offer. If you put some money in, you get my modules for free. But if you still open it up with the link, there's still a lot of benefits. And one of them is this particular hedge account will be commission free. Sign up the standard hedge account. It'll give you 500 to 1 leverage, commission free. You'll only pay sort of a little bit of an enhanced spread, but it's nothing to sing home about. You're not paying commissions, so don't worry about it. And then you just got the swaps if you hold it overnight. Fantastic. All right. Ideal for our purposes because it's 500 to 1. Because when you're dealing with a micro account, you've got nowhere to go. So you need the leverage. But you only need the leverage to open the asset, not increase your position size. That's the killer. And that's what we're going to touch on in a moment. So let's have a look at the figures. Well, I did 77p today. Wow, I hear you say 77 pence. Fucking wasting your time. I hear that all the time. Yeah, well, look at my Vanguard and see how much I've wasted my time. So, but from here, let's open up to see where we are from the start. So we started with 25 quid, which up here. So the balance went in. Did a couple of test orders before we started it fully. And then decided, right, okay, let's get this down, start fully, in we go. All right, I do lose. There are here, but I kill them. All right, I can recognize when I'm wrong and I get it out. That is there, losses, but all the way down. £10.30 we've made since we started this about a week ago. Okay, so that's what this is. Now I track it through this. Now the first thing I do is I look to see what the target is for the day. Now I work it on 2% a day. Now on a small account, piece of piss. Okay, well, as you get bigger, it becomes a bit harder. But certainly on accounts like this, 2 to 5% is doable, but 2% is safe because I've got nowhere to go. Decided that I needed to get 17 quid over the month. So that was the plan. By the 30th of April, have enough to buy the prop fund. Well, I'm nearly 50% in and we're on the 9th of April. Okay, so the goal is 17 quid. So 2% of the original 25 is 50p. Well, I smashed that. And I'm trying to keep it relatively conservative, but slightly above the game. So when I have the weekends off, because this is a day counter, and I don't trade at all, I'll still be ahead. Because on day 9 at 2%, I should be at 18%, but I'm actually at 33.4. So I can have a couple of days off and I'll still be ahead of where I need to be. And also I can have a bad day and still be ahead. So that's the day tracker, you know, and that keeps me going. Then we have the cash builder. Now this is a little bit more in depth, so I can see what times I'm trading, when's good, when's bad, win rates, my winning streaks, etc. So I've got a winning day streak. I've had 7 days in a row, not lost a day. Hit the target today quite easily. It's going to maintain at 70 because what I do is I look at whatever the target is and kind of round it to the nearest 10. So it's like 70p. 67, 70p. Okay, so that's what that's all about. If I set it up for tomorrow, you get a rough idea of what I do. So it's going to be a golden eye because that's the only strategy I'm working on this. Euro dollar is the only market that I'm trading on this because it's safe, it's slow potting, and it is predictable. So I'll be starting tomorrow with that balance. Run it down. Because it's got a very small balance, I can't get any higher than 10p. It's worked on 10p per 100. So until it breaks 100, it'll be at 10p. Okay. So that'll be my base trades. If I think it's A1 super, I will scale into it and each one would be 10p, but it's starting at 10 pence. Drop in here when it wins, etc. So whether it's no trade, in a trade, what have you. So you can see, so I did that at 7 o'clock, did this one at 9, and then the day target was achieved. So you stop. That's it. All right. And you run it across. There's the transactions. Now, if you do have swap costs, drop it on there and it'll add up the costs as well. But because this has no commission, don't need to worry about that. So that's where we are. We're halfway through. It's doing well. So you're saying I want to touch on something. Well, the thing is, people laugh at this all the time. What are you doing it for? Wasting your time. I wouldn't do that for a quid. Right? So you're on 10p, but you only got £25. Some people in this day and age, £25 has now become a lot of money because the cost of living's gone up. Why sort of I try to help the group by introducing another layer that gives you a hell of a lot at half the cost. Gives something back. Because I understand that money is tight. And that's why this is beautiful. Because it'll teach you how to trade without the fear of losing a lot. Because a lot of people they'll put maybe £5,000 or £6,000 in an account, think it's a piece of piss because they've seen TikTok and they go, oh, they're the liquidity sweep. Oh, they're the fair value gap. Oh, look, it's a change of character.
Can you really be that dumb?
It's on a minute chart. Means fuck all, right? And suddenly they lose all their money. No, this will teach you how to trade properly. because it teaches discipline. But you've got to eradicate one emotion. Greed.
Oh, here we go.
Greed is a killer of accounts. Creates overtrading. It creates revenge trading, because if it's taken, you'll try and get it back. But it also creates oversizing. And that's a problem with this sort of account. So if you've got 10p and it does £1, that is colossal to the size of the account. There's not a bank in the land would pay you that in a year. And you're doing it in a day. But you won't be happy with the pound. You'd want it to be £10. Well, that's a colossal move. It doesn't happen all the time. And because of the political climate that we have now, certainly with the troubles around the world, the markets can catch you in a heartbeat and you wouldn't even see it coming.
Boy, that escalated quickly. I mean, that really got out of hand fast.
So you can only work hour to hour. Well, what's the chances of it moving 100 pips in an hour? Pretty slim. In fact, on Eurodollar, which this is moving, it has a daily ATR at the moment of around 76. So the chances of it doing 100 pips, you're already against the back wall. It's not happening. But if you targeted 7 pips, maybe it's 8. That's you're looking sort of 9-10% of the move. That is huge. But you don't like it because it's £1. I only made £1. Yeah, but if you did it every day and you did it through all of sort of the trading days, and there's roughly about 200 banking days, well, that's 200 quid at the end of the year. That's a decent treat of 25 quid. If you're disciplined enough to do it, but you're not. That's why you fail. And it's why you complain, it's why you chew. But the question I would ask is, you wouldn't be happy with £1 on a 10 pip move. But would you close it if it was at 100 quid? Yeah, of course you would. You go, fucking right, I'll have that. Well, that's one lot 10 pip move. Where's the difference? You've got to sanitize yourself into the markets, and you've got to understand how those markets work. And the markets work by you. And if you look at a system and it don't work, then you go to the next system and that don't work, and then you go to the next system and that don't work. You're just going round in circles. And what you're doing is, the common denominator as to why it didn't work was the fact that you tried to get too much out of it in the first place. Steady Eddie wins the race. All the time. Plod, plod, plod. But if you're looking at compounded wealth, which we do, your pound next week could be £1.10 every day. Week after £1.20 every day. It all adds up. And how do I know it adds up? Because I've shown you it sort of over the last 6 or 7 years. Pretty much every single day. Certainly the squad see it every day because I'm there every day, all day. And even today, we had our live call this morning. We had our live call last night. It's another one in the bag. Didn't get it wrong. Called it right before it happened. That's the trick. Now, this morning I was asked to do Eurodollar. And I completed it for 8 pips. Because that's all it was willing to give. If I tried to push the boat out, it would have probably crippled me. So, question for you. Would you be happy with £1 of 25 quid? Or are you just going to laugh? Because remember, you do it for 17 days, you've bought a prop fund. Do you prop fund the next month? You've now got a decent size and you've still got your original money. And that's how wealth is made. You start making different pots work for you. Who knows? We'll see how well this program goes. See if there's any interest in it. Do share to your friends, hit the hype, all that sort of thing, just to encourage me to keep going. I am sort of trying to grow the account. or grow the channel rather, as well as grow the account. But I can only grow it if you watch it. Simple as that. So you help me and I'll help you. Share it to your friends and let's see if we can get this one with 200 or 300 likes and maybe 1,000 views. I'll be ecstatic at that. So as always, guys, trade well, keep your risk managed, but above all, do what you love, and the money will follow. See you all in the next one. Okay, guys, a quick interlude, because I'm asked on pretty much every video a couple of questions. Who do I use and what platform do I use to build small accounts? Well, it's very simple. I come to BlackBull because you can trade with any amount of money that you choose. You've got over 26,000 products. So if you're Forex, indices, shares, commodities, you're going to find it. And they've got excellent world-leading leverage, which you can use to open up an asset and get your positions in. And also the spreads are fantastic. These are the companies that I use to build up. From here, I take it over into the 5ers. I have never had a problem getting paid off these, as you can see. And one of the beauties of the 5ers at the moment is they're introducing new programs and platforms all the time. They've now recently come back over into the US. So you guys can now take advantage of the prop, and you've got C Trader, and you've got the 3 programs here to choose from, which are very cost effective. Now, to give you an example, there's an account there, 157. You might be thinking, wow, what's that got to do with anything? Well, it is BlackBull, but let's see where it came from. Well, if I take this right to the very top, you'll see it started with £15. And then there's all of the trades running through. Don't get it right all the time, but running through £142 worth of profit, giving me 157. Well, if that's the case, I can now go and buy a prop fund and then feed those funds back into the live to push it forward. Now, if you're interested in any of these, come along and visit my website. You will see everything that I do, and there's extra discounts and exclusive links for both the companies. And both companies use the following platforms, which is TradingView, CTrader and MetaTrader. My personal choice is MetaTrader, but it's all there for you, so you're on the same page, whichever.
I'd buy that for $1.
Good luck. Catch you soon. Let's get back to the video.